Have you ever wondered how AI, like chatgpt, understands what you're saying? Even if you don't use any computer code, you just type like you're talking to a friend, and boom, it replies like it gets you. Well, today we'll explain how that works in simple words. Let's dive in. AI doesn't learn like a student with a teacher. Nobody stands in front of it saying, "This is right, that is wrong." Instead, AI reads and learns from a mountain of text, books, websites, articles, you name it. It's like training a brain using the entire internet. So how does it learn? Let's break it down. Understanding the learning process of AI can seem complex, but it's actually quite fascinating when you break it into steps. Step 1, it reads billions of sentences. Seriously, it does, billions. This vast amount of data is crucial because it provides the AI with a diverse range of language examples. Step 2, it learns patterns. By analyzing these sentences, the AI starts to recognize common structures and relationships between words. For example, if it sees the sentence, "The cat sat on the," it figures out "mat" is a common next word. This predictive ability is based on the patterns it has learned from the data. It keeps doing this over and over until it gets really good at predicting what makes sense. The more it practices, the better it becomes at understanding and generating human-like text. No memorizing, just learning how language works. This continuous learning process allows the AI to adapt and improve, making it a powerful tool for various applications. Now here's the fun part. You don't need to write code or special commands. The AI is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. You can just say, "Tell me a joke," and it will respond with something to make you laugh. It's that simple and engaging. Or you can say, "Book me a flight to Paris." And it will handle all the details for you, from finding the best flights to completing the booking process. The AI understands your intent and gets what you mean, even if you don't phrase it perfectly, because it learned how people really talk, not how computers talk. It understands slang, mistakes, and even emojis. This makes interactions feel natural and effortless, bridging the gap between human communication and technology. A lot of people ask, does AI learn from your chats? Does it get smarter every time? The answer is no. Once it's trained, it doesn't learn from you directly. It doesn't remember your messages. It doesn't update itself on the fly. OpenAI updates it behind the scenes by training new versions every few months. Can AI tell you what happened yesterday or even earlier today? Only if it has browsing access to the internet. By default, AI doesn't know real-time news or updates. But if it's connected to the web, like with chatgpt+, it can search and tell you the latest info instantly. So now you know, AI doesn't need code to understand you. It's fascinating how it can interpret human language and respond in ways that feel almost natural. This technology is evolving rapidly, and its applications are expanding into every aspect of our lives. It learns from massive data, understands your words like a pro, and can even predict what you might say next. The more data it processes, the smarter it gets, continually improving its accuracy and efficiency. But it doesn't learn from your chats or know today's news unless it browses the web. This means it relies on the information it has been trained on and needs constant updates to stay relevant and accurate. If you found this cool, give a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more easy tech explainers. We're here to make technology simple and accessible for everyone. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on the latest in AI and tech.